The Sofucor 48-inch smart ceiling fan offers a versatile lighting solution with its integrated 18-watt LED light kit, providing 3 adjustable color temperature options to suit various needs. This modern ceiling fan features a quiet, energy-efficient motor that supports 6 different wind speeds, ensuring both comfort and reduced energy costs. Designed for wide applicability, the fan includes 3 down rods of different lengths, making it suitable for spaces ranging from 200 to 600 square feet, and its reversible function adds year-round utility. Users can control the fan using 3 methods: a multifunctional remote control, voice commands, and a mobile app, providing flexibility and convenience. Sofucor ensures high-quality standards with rigorous testing for balance and sound, offering a lifetime warranty for the motor and a 15-year warranty for accessories. The fan's solid wood blades not only deliver effective airflow, but also add a touch of elegance to any room, making it a stylish and functional addition to your home.